See question number 53. Now let us see question number 53. And question is 4 upon x minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 2x plus 3. We have to solve for x. Then here in denominator nothing is there, then 1 is here. Now take the LCM of x and 1. What will be the LCM? LCM will be x. X divided by x will be equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 4 will be equal to 4 minus x divided by 1 will be x, and x multiplied by 3 will be 3x is equal to 5 upon 2x plus 3. Now let us have cross multiply here. Let us do cross multiply. 4 minus 3x, 5 multiplied by x will be equal to 5x, and 2x plus 3 will be multiplied with 4 minus 3x. Then 5x will be equal to 2x multiplied by 4 will be 8x, plus minus will be minus 2x multiplied by 3x will be 6x square, plus 3 multiplied by 4 will be equal to 12, and 3 multiplied by minus 3x will be equal to minus 9x. Then minus 6x square transferred to LHS will be plus 6x square, plus 5x is already there in LHS, and minus 9x when transferred to LHS it will be equal to plus 9x, plus 8x transferred to LHS it will be minus 8x, and plus 12 transferred to LHS will be minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies that 6x square plus 14x minus 8x minus 12 will be equal to 0. This implies that 6x square plus 14x minus 8x will be equal to 6x minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies that 6 is common. X square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that x square 0 divided by 6 will be equal to 0, and now we have to factorize it. So let us factorize x square plus 2x. X can be written as 2x minus 2 is equal to 0, because 1 is here and minus 2 is here. So 1 multiplied by minus 2 will be equal to minus 2, and 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1. 2 multiplied by minus 1 will be also equal to minus 2, and 2 minus 1 is equal to plus 1, which is the coefficient of x. Okay, then now let us take common in these two terms. X is common, then x will left here and 2 will left in second term, and minus nothing is common, then 1 is common here, 1 will be common. Then sign will change here because minus is before the bracket, so minus x will be equal to plus x, and minus 2 will be equal to plus 2 is equal to 0. Now x plus 2 is common, then here x will left and here minus 1 will left is equal to 0. Then x minus either x plus 2 is equal to 0. Let us see here, either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0, and x minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. This is your final answer. 56. The question is, we have to solve for x. 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b plus 1 by 2x. Now x is here in this term and x is also here in this term. So transfer this term to LHS. Then we get 1 upon 2a plus b plus 2x minus plus when transfer in LHS it will be minus 1 upon 2x is equal to in RHS 1 by 2a plus 1 by b will left. Now let us take the LCM of these two terms. LCM will be 2a plus b. LCM will be equal to their product, that is 2a plus b plus 2x into 2x. Then this 2a plus b plus 2x will cancel with 2a plus b plus 2x. Then 2x will left, and 2x multiplied by 1 will be equal to 2x. Minus sign is here. 2x will cancel with 2x. Then 2a plus b plus 2x multiplied by 1 will be equal to 2a plus b plus 2x here. Equal to 2a and b. LCM of 2a and b will be 2ab. Product of these two terms. 2a will cancel with 2a. b will left. b multiplied by 1 will be equal to b, and plus b will cancel with b. Then 2a will left. 2a multiplied by 1 will be equal to 2a. Then let us remove this bracket. 2x minus plus minus 2a minus plus minus b and minus plus minus 2x upon 2a plus b plus 2x multiplied by 2x is equal to b plus 2a upon 2ab. Now these two and these two can be cancelled. Then 2x minus 2x plus will be cancelled. Now let us take minus as common. Then the sign of these two terms will be changed, that is both will be positive, upon 2a plus b plus 2x multiplied by x is equal to b plus 2a upon ab. Then b plus 2a and b plus 2a will cancel by 1 times. Now let us cross multiply. X multiplied by 2a plus b plus 2x multiplied by 1 will be same, and ab multiplied by 1 will be equal to ab. Okay, now let us multiply it. 2ax plus bx plus 2x square and minus ab will be equal to 0. Okay, then 2x square plus 2ax plus bx and minus ab will be equal to 0. Sorry, minus 1 is here, so it will be minus ab. Then minus when transferred to LHS, it will be plus ab. Okay, then here also will be plus. Now in these two terms 2x is common, then x will left here, and 2x is common, then a will left here, and in these two terms b is common, then x plus a will left is equal to 0. Now x plus a is common, then here 2x will left plus b is equal to 0. This implies that either x plus a is equal to 0 and 2x plus b will be equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to minus a and x is equal to minus b upon 2. Then the required roots of the given quadratic equation is minus a and minus b upon 2. This is your answer. Now let us see question number 60. The question number 60 is x upon x plus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2 whole 4 upon 15. Okay, now in this question you can see these two terms are reciprocal of each other. X upon x plus 1 and x plus 1 upon x is the reciprocal of this term, and this term is the reciprocal of this term. So if this type of questions in which both the terms are reciprocals of each other is given, then in this type of question we have to put, let us put x upon 1 as y. Then let us consider it as equation first. This implies that the reciprocal of this will be, if we take the reciprocal of LHS, then we have to take the reciprocal of RHS also. Then x plus 1 upon x will be equal to 1 upon y. Okay, then the given quadratic equation will be x upon x plus 1 we have supposed y, so at the place of x upon x plus 1 we have to write y, and the value of x plus 1 upon x is 1 upon y, is equal to 15 to the 30, 30 plus 4, that is 34 upon 15. Now let us take the LCM of this 1 and y will be y, then y multiplied by y will be equal to y square, plus 1 multiplied by 1 will be equal to 1, is equal to 34 upon 15. Now let us cross multiply it. 15 multiplied by y square plus 1 and 34 multiplied by y. Then we have 15y square plus 15, or let us transfer this term to LHS, minus 34y plus 15 1 ja 15 will be equal to 0. Then we have to factorize it. So 15 multiplied by 15 will be equal to 225, and now in the factor of, from the factors of 225 we have to choose two factors, such factors whose sum is equal to minus 34 and product is equal to 225. So let us factorize it. 225 can be written as, it is divisible by 3, 3 7 ja 31, 3 5 ja 15, then also divisible by 3, 75, 25 will be there, 5 multiplied by 5. Now we have to choose two factors from this. So 5 it can be written as 9 multiplied by 25 will be equal to 225, but their sum is equal to 9 plus 25 is equal to plus 34, but here minus is here before 34. So minus 9 multiplied by minus 25 will be also equal to 225, and minus 9 minus 25 will be equal to minus 34. So this will be the valid factors. So this can be written as 15y square minus 25y minus 9y and plus 15 will be equal to 0. Now in these two terms 5y is common, so 3y will left here and minus 5 will left here, and in these two terms 3 is common, then 3y minus 5 will left here, will be equal to 0. Then 3y minus 5 into 5y minus 3 will be equal to 0. This implies that 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies that 3y is equal to 5 and 5y is equal to 3. This implies that y is equal to 5 upon 3 and y is equal to 3 by 5. The required roots is 5 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. This is the required roots. Let us see question number second of question number 64. Second question of question number 64. It is given that we have to solve for x. 1 upon x plus 1 plus 3 upon 5x plus 1 is equal to 5 upon x plus 4. So let us first simplify it, that is we have to convert it into a standard form of a quadratic equation. For this we have to take the LCM of these two expressions. The LCM will be the product of these two, x plus 1 into 5x plus 1 will be the LCM, and then this x plus 1 will cancel with x plus 1, 5x plus 1 will left, 5x plus 1 multiplied by 1 will be equal to 5x plus 1 itself, plus 5x plus 1 will be cancelled with 5x plus 1, and then 3 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 5 upon x plus 4. Now let us multiply it by 3. 3 multiplied by x will be 3x plus 3 upon x plus 1 multiplied by 5x plus 1 is equal to 5 upon x plus 4. Then we get 5x plus 3x is equal to 8x plus 3 plus 1 will be equal to 4 upon, let us multiply it. X multiplied by 5x will be 5x square plus x multiplied by 1 will be x plus 1 multiplied by 5x will be 5x plus 1 multiplied by 1 will be equal to 1 upon is equal to 5 upon x plus 4. Then we get 8x plus 4 upon 5x square plus 5x plus x will be equal to 6x plus 1 is equal to 5 upon x plus 4. Now let us cross multiply it. 5 multiplied by 5x square, 5 multiplied by 5x square plus 6x plus 1, and 8x plus 4 will be multiplied with 8x plus 4 will be multiplied with x plus 4. Then we have to multiply it. 5 5 are 25x square plus 5 6 are 30x plus 5 will be equal to 8x multiplied by x will be 8x square plus 8 4 are 32x plus 4 multiplied by x will be 4x plus 4 multiplied by 4 will be equal to 16. Then we get 25x square minus 8x square plus 30x minus 32 plus 4 36x and plus 5 minus 16 is equal to 0. Then it will be equal to 25x square minus 8x square will be 17x square, 30x minus 36x will be minus 6x, and 5 minus 16, 5 minus 16 will be equal to minus 11 is equal to 0. Now 17 multiplied by minus 1 will be the product of these two, and 17 minus 17 plus 11 will be equal to minus 6. So this can be written as 17x square minus 17x plus 11x minus 11 is equal to 0. Okay, then 17x is common, then x minus 1 will left here. In these two 11 is common, then x minus 1 will left here. Then x minus 1 is common, then 17x will left here, and plus 11 will left here is equal to 0. This implies that x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 17x plus 11 is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 11 upon 17. Required roots will be equal to 1 and minus 1 upon 17. Okay.